We are going to try a mix of things. So we can do typing to respond, like a typical discussion. You just click reply and start typing. Or, so down here, you just start typing. And the other options are that you can record or upload an audio file or a video. So for one, if you want to record right here in Canvas, you can do that by going right here, click on this little icon, and then upload or record media. And then if you want to record right here, you just click that, and then a record box will pop up to let you start recording like this. If you don't want your webcam on, you can select no video and it'll just record from your microphone. You can double check which microphone you want and click start recording. Or if you want to upload, you'd have to record your file already. And like for this example, I'm recording on QuickTime because it's already on my computer and it's a free software. I would save that file and then click on this little rocket ship to find a file, for example, like that. And then, whoops, I just want to make that go away. And you would just upload your file. So you can record on Flipgrid if you would like to. I do have that in part of the instructions up here. You may record on Flipgrid first and use the effects there if you like those. And then you would need your own account on Flipgrid to do that. And then it will guide you in how to do those videos. And then you can download to save it on your computer. And then that would be a upload file through this process that I just showed. So those are the multiple ways that you could respond to these questions. I just want it to be something that's engaging to you, something that kind of makes it more fun to show up for class in that way. But you are welcome to simply type out your answers and write a response instead. So in this one, you are just responding to one of these questions for discussion. And you're welcome to respond to more than one. I just recommend that in one post, you only respond to one question, and then you could do another post to respond to another. You are not required to respond to other people's posts, as I have here, but please do come back and listen to all of them by Sunday. And think of it like kind of an extended study session kind of thing. So you could come back and help someone who didn't respond fully, or encourage someone else for their really strong answers. Assume that you probably are going to learn something from other people in the class by listening and even discerning what they have said that is correct or incorrect. You may find that there may be something incorrect about something someone said, and you could help them out and say, that actually is different on this page and this is why. Or I looked up this bit of information and I found this. So you can help each other learn the material even better by offering those tips. So with that, I hope that you'll enjoy the discussion, and I look forward to reading your post. When you're all done, please make sure that you click post reply. And I will have a little example like that. So if you're only typing, you can make sure that you have a profile picture. Not that I love what mine is, but you can change that in your account, which is off the screen right now, but it would be like kind of this way. You can change your profile picture that way. All right, that's everything for now. So have fun, and I will see you in the discussion.